Hi learners, now I am going to explain you about arithmetic operators in Java. So you know pretty well that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and then increment, decrement are arithmetic operators. So plus symbol is used to perform this addition operation, and this gives you the sum of two numbers. And subtraction, minus symbol is used for subtraction, and this gives the difference between two numbers. Multiplication, star is used in Java, and this gives you the product of two numbers. Division, forward slash symbol is used, and it gives you the actually quotient of the division value. Modulus gives you the remainder, and the operator used here is percentile symbol. Increment, two plus symbols are used to perform this increment operation. Increment means it increases one value to the existing value. That means if a is equal to 5 is there, then if you apply a plus plus, then a is equal to a plus 1. So that is how it works. One value is added to the existing value. And this increment can be applied in two ways. One is post increment, and then the other one is pre increment. That I will explain you during the program execution. The other one is decrement. So here it reduces the value by 1. That is, for example, if a is equal to 5 and a minus minus means 1 is decremented from the existing value. That is, a is equal to a minus 1. So the value will be a is 4. So this also can be worked in two ways. One is post decrement and the other one is pre decrement. So now we will move on to the program execution. So I am taking a notepad. Here class. So I am giving here arithmetic demo. The class name I have given is that. Next is public static void main string args, and I am taking integer values a comma b. For simplicity, I am taking a is equal to 5 and b is equal to some value 3. And now I am directly printing the output of those values. System dot out dot println sum. So how to find a plus b? Next, in the same way, let me write it as addition. Subtraction. For subtraction, the symbol is minus. Next, multiplication. I am using here star. Then division. So forward slash is used for that. Next is modulus. The symbol is percentile. So these are all binary operators. That means you are working with two operands. Okay. Let us close the program. What is the class name here? Arithmetic demo. So let me save that as arithmetic demo.java. I am opening command prompt here. So the program is in desktop Java programs DSC folder. I am compiling it. The name of the program is arithmetic demo.java. So I missed one square bracket there. Let me correct it. Yeah, it's missing here. Save it. Now compile it again. So no errors. Now Java arithmetic demo. I am running the program. The answer is this. So addition 8, 5 plus 3, subtraction 2, multiplication, division 1, modulus is the subtraction value, that is remainder value you count. This is how you have to work with arithmetic operators. Here I explained you the binary operators. Now let me explain you unary arithmetic operators and see how the values. Arithmetic unary, let me write. What are unary operators? Plus plus and minus minus. They are acting on only one operator, so two are not required. So let me take D also and store the result which I am applying on plus plus minus minus on A to B. So what am I doing first? B is equal to A plus plus. First we will print here system.out.println initial A value. We will see. Okay. A value. Okay, ma? After that, A plus plus you have applied and then assigned the value to B. So now we will see what is A value and what is B value. Let me take B is equal to C initially. So let me type here initial value. Okay. So in order to know what's happening in the after each operation, I am doing all this. So plus A plus plus. Now we will see what is the value of A and what is the value of B. Next, say arithmetic unary I have typed. Arithmetic unary. Okay. And let me execute Java C arithmetic unary dot Java. Sorry, I have meant to save it properly. Arithmetic unary dot Java. Save it. We are compiling. 4 errors. So I missed semicolon there, sorry. All semicolons. Now let me compile it. It's good. We didn't get any error. Java arithmetic unary. I am running the program. Okay. Now you see here. This is what I want to explain you. Look at the program. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 0. Okay. So A value is 5, B value is 0. A plus plus value is 6. So the value A value has increased by 1. So 6. But why is B value 5 here? That is what you want to learn in this program. See here now. That is this, if you write plus plus symbol after A, then it means it is post increment. So A value initially, whatever A value is, that is assigned to B. Okay. So now it has 5. Later on, A value is incremented by 1 value. If you want, you see here, B is equal to A, I will write. And then now, I will print this again. Very, very important concept this here. Increment and decrement operators. Let me see what the values are. I assigned, remind here, B is equal to A, I have written there. So, compile it. Execute. Sorry, ma, I have. Look here. That is, initially A value is 5, B value is 0. A value is 6. Post increment. So, increment you have done. So, A value has changed. But B is equal to A plus plus you have written. That means A value is assigned and after that A value is incremented. Now, B is equal to A. You have written here. So, in A, 6 is there. In B, that 6 is assigned. So, now for A and B, the answer is 6. I think you have understood this concept. Now, you try for A minus minus. And we will see plus plus A minus minus A also in the next video. Okay. Bye. Practice all these and learn the concept.